Hello guys, it's your guy Piera. Welcome back to the Rocket Series Academy with VMS Project 14. Unfortunately, in the previous week, I was under exam so I could upload any video. However, I am back, so you guys are going to be receiving a video each week as from now on. Keep supporting us, keep subscribing, and of course sharing our video. Without wasting more time, let's dive into this project. Section A. Section A can be seen at the side of the part, and this section A contains the major thread diameter as 0.367 and the groove diameter 0.24 inch. Secondly, we are going to draw the external portion of the part. 5 part units, inch, sketch, line command, smart dimension 1.605, line command, the groove. Looking at this portion, as you notice, this portion is not straight, it's inclined. So firstly, I'm going to draw an inclined line with diameter, minor diameter as 0.367 and the major diameter of the inclined line at 0.475. Smart dimension, thread diameter 0.367 divided by 2, groove diameter 0.24 divided by 2, minor diameter of inclined line 0.367, major diameter 0.475. This diameter 0.95 divided by 2, the length 0.2 inch, the length from this line to the origin 1.24, 1.305. Sketch is fully defined. We got these semicircles, and actually this semicircles is of diameter 0.1 at different location. As you notice, this semicircle is at a distance of 0.425 from the origin in the x direction and at a distance of 0.544 in the y direction from this origin. So it keeps varying for all the semicircles. We got 5 semicircles. Circle command, select this circle, hold control, select the other circles, make relation equal, smart dimension, diameter of 0.1 inch. .425, distance 0.544, .44, 0.683, .456, distance 0.822, .471, distance 0.961. 486, 0.1 inch. Go for the OK, trim entity. Go for the green check, fillet command. Looking at the groove fillet, we have a fillet of radius 0.020 inch. Radius 0.020 inch. This point and this point. Go for the green check. Okay. Stop sketch, feature, revolve base, center of revolution. This axe, select quantum, go for the green check. Looking at the drawing, we got a chamfer at this end, 12 fillets of 0.01. At the front end, we got chamfer of 0.06 and equally a chamfer of 0.01. Firstly, fillet 0.01, this edge, go for the green check. Chamfer 0.06 at this edge, go for the green check. Fillet 0.01 at this edge, go for the green check. Chamfer 0.01, go for the green check. We have a 0.423 inch hole to actually drill at a distance of 0.7 and we have to tap it. Hole wizard, simple hole selected. We are working with inch. Audrey size, we have half, making sure custom size should be activated. Custom size we have 0.4 to 3 inch at 140 degree. Blind 0.7 inch. Position, select the surface and select the origin. Go for the green check. Hole wizard, thread location, this edge, end condition, blind 0.4 inch tap, size we have half 13, offset activated, offset of 0.3, reverse direction. Since we took an offset of 0.3, we are going to add the blind condition, 0.4 plus 0.3. Go for the green check. As per the drawing, we have thread at this point. However, we are going to be making the thread when we are making the CAM program. With this, we are done with VMS project 14. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 14. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.